Hi guys, I'm Harivardan,
Myself Dhirendra. We are
Yeah.
from Mechatronics department.
second year. Now we have done a little project based on project-based learning in the subject digital electronics. The project we have done is construction of logic gates using NAND gate. Let's see about that. Hi fellas, today we are going to see how to construct NOT gate using IC7400 NAND gate. First of all, I'll be explaining about the NAND gate. The IC I have used here is IC7400, so quad NAND gate. The reason for its name is it has four NAND gates in it. Now we'll see its pin diagram. This is the pin diagram of IC7400 quad NAND gate. Here we can see that as all the ICs, this IC also has 7th and 14th pin as VCC and ground pin. And the input pins for the NAND gates that we are seeing here are 1 and 2, 4 and 5, 9 and 10, 12 and 13 respectively, and the output pins are 3, 6, 8 and 11 respectively. Now you all might have a doubt that how NOT gate can be constructed using the NAND gate. Is it possible to build it? The answer is it is possible. It's because NAND gate is one of the universal gates, because NAND gate, it can be used to build all the other gates. Now let's start building the circuit. For that we need a breadboard, a IC7400, a LED bulb for the output, some connecting wires and the power supply. Here I'll be using Arduino board for the power supply. First we must give the power supply to the IC. For that I'll be taking a 3.3 volt as the VCC voltage here. So I'll be connecting the power supply here. Now as you can see, I am connecting the ground, the white wire, to the ground section that's shown here, and the 3.3 volt, that is the green wire, to the VCC section. Next we have to give the input supply to the IC. But you all have a doubt that NAND gate is a 2-input IC while the NOT gate is a single input IC. How can we convert a 2-input IC to a single input IC? So the answer for this can be explained using the logic circuit diagram of both NOT gate and the NAND gate. Here you can see this is the logic circuit diagram of the NOT gate. The NOT gate is called as the inverter because it inverts the given input. Now the diagram shown here is the NOT gate constructed using the NAND gate. In this diagram we can see that the input A is split and given to the NAND gate, and the output is received. So you might have a doubt how this operation might be working. So that is explained here. Now let's consider that the inputs we are taking as A and A to the both pins A1 and 2. So we all know that the operation of NAND gate is S is equal to A dot B the whole bar, that is multiplying both inputs, and the answer is inverted. So the same process that will be happening here is S is equal to A dot A, that is the two inputs are multiplied and the answer is inverted. We all know from the Boolean algebra, we know that A dot A is equal to A. So from the above expression we can write the final result as S is equal to A bar. This result is similar to that of the NOT gate. So you might have a clarity that the how the NOT gate can be constructed using the NAND gate. So let's come back to the circuit. As we have seen in the circuit, in the logic diagram, I am first taking the input pin 1 as the input pin A, and in the circuit diagram I have shown that the input is split and given to the IC. So to do that, I am just interconnecting the input pin 1 and 2 with each other. Now our input we are giving that we are going to take will be given to both the pins 1 and 2. Now we must take the output pin so that we can clarify the truth table. So I am connecting this purple wire to the pin 3 of the IC, and this pin is connected to the LED bulb that is here. The positive end is connected to this pin, and the negative end of this LED is connected to the ground. Now our circuit is over. Before that, we must connect the seventh pin to the ground section, and the 14th pin to the VCC section. Now, as our circuit is completed, we must clarify our circuit with the truth table. This is the truth table of the NOT gate. Here we can see that the output of the gate is opposite to the input. That is, if the input is 0, we get an output as 1. Let's take it out. First, taking the input as 0. To do that, I am just connecting the input pin to the ground section. Now here you can see that my LED is glowing. So this shows that my output is 1. So we can the first part is now successful, that when I give the input as 0, I get an output as 1. Now let's try the second one. If I give the input as 1, to do that I am connecting this input pin to the VCC section. Now my LED is not glowing. This means that the output we are getting is 0. So the second part is also confirmed. Now thus our connections are correct, and the truth table of the NOT gate is verified. Finally, we have created our NOT gate using the NAND gate. Thank you.